Come on, Rio, let's go.
Come on, go.
Go, 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 Rio, Rio, Rio. You can see loads of things happening. I can't even tell you. So we finished last month, so we made a finish try with Rio. We did climb with Rio with all the family. That was absolutely spectacular. We've been doing races this weekend. It's just been full on as normal for Team Angel Wolf. What happened that month? So that month of November, Dubai Fitness Challenge, loads of the community were out exercising in different ways, cycling, swimming, going to boot camps, doing yoga on the beach, wherever that could be. So a big shout out to Dubai Tourism for continuing this great month and a great initiative from His Highness Sheikh Hamdan. This was an absolutely spectacular month.
Said, when there is a will, there is a way. Exactly. I see it.
We'll find a way.
We'll find it. Absolutely sure. When there is a will, there is a way.
Try with Rio for 1 month throughout November. I have to admit was an absolutely fantastic challenge for us. And so what we did every day, we swam one day, so the equivalent Olympic triathlon, so 1.5 kilometers. Next day we cycled 40, next day we ran 10, and then we repeated it.